Students, now we are going to see the worksheet number 13. The lesson name is hazards. Choose a correct answer. First question, flammable waste or organic solvents, oils, plasticizers and organic sludges. This is answer B option. And second question, we commonly see a strong surge in the regions of shallow coastal water la da storm surge paaka mudiyum. The answer is B option. And next question, which coastal area is mostly affected in the cyclonic storm? So இந்தியாவில் எந்த ஏரியா அதிகமாக சைக்ளோனிக் ஸ்டார்ம்ஸால் பாதிக்கப்படுது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா ஈஸ்டர்ன் கோஸ்டல் ஏரியா தான். ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் பி ஆப்ஷன். Next, fill in the blanks. First question, in the northern hemisphere cyclonic storms rotate in anti-clockwise direction. So in our country anti-clockwise only. A cyclonic storm frequently affected districts in Tamil Nadu is Kadalur and Nagapattinam. A sudden rise of sea water is due to tropical cyclone is called the storm surge. And true or false? First one, landslides aggravated by humans. Yes, that is true. Maximum landslides are reason is humans only. And next, industrial waste is affecting the air pollution. False, because mainly it's affected the water pollution. Nowadays Chernobyl is a tourist place. True. And short answer, how can we control water pollution? Sewage water is filtered before discharged into water bodies, and reusage of sanitary systems and agriculture fields. Why should we make a preventive measures? To protect the environment by conserving, to protecting natural resources will strengthen our economy. That's why we should prevent some measures. Preventive measures we have to take. How can you prevent landslides? Yes, we can. Have you can நம்மளால முடியுமான்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Yes, we can prevent landslide by planting more trees and modifying slope geometry and using chemical agents to reinforce slab materials and installing structures such as piles and retaining walls. So by this way we can prevent the landslides. And read the passage and give the correct answer to each question. Here about the air and its gases it's given. Uses of carbon dioxide எதுக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா photosynthesisக்காக. And what is the gas we need to survey is oxygen. And what are the uses of nitrogen? Means fertilizers for plants and for making the air inert. And mention some of the gases name. Helium, neon, ozone, methane அப்படின்னு அந்த பேராகிராஃபில் கொடுத்துருக்க எந்த கேஸ் நேம்னாலும் எழுதிக்கலாம். And here picture, find out the odd one out. Here some disaster they have given. So that this odd one out is man-made disaster. Yes, others are natural disasters. This is man-made disaster. That's why it is fourth one is odd one out. Thank you students. For more videos, subscribe our channel.